Hello YouTube. I am, my username is Rubik's Cube Walkthrough. This is going to be my first video on here. And it's going to be about how to solve the Pyramix cube. So first off, it should look like this. 4 sides. I call this the tip. I call these the edge pieces. I call these the center. Okay, so the tip has 3 sides, or 3 colors. The edge pieces have 2 colors. The center pieces have none. I meant only 1. Okay, so here's how you solve it. There are not going to be any algorithms because I'm not very good with those. So first, let me just mix it up. Okay, so step 1. Find which side has tips with all the same color. I'm going to choose yellow for example. So this side doesn't have it because this tip doesn't have yellow. Let's try this side. This side has it because all the tips are yellow. And now, the second step, we have to get this color to yellow, which it already is, and this color to yellow, and this color to yellow. In order to do that, twist this, then that will be yellow. For example, if it was like this, all you'll have to do, twist, twist, and twist. That's simple. Now, if you look on the side, you see green, 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 and green. So that means yellow goes here and green goes here. We already have the combination of yellow and green right here. So here's what we have to do. And you see the green is now gone. Because now it is right here. Because originally it was right here after I did that step. Now it's right here. If it is right here, bring it down. Then do the same pattern. And the green should be in. Now for the red. The red is right here. Do that same pattern. Now the red is in, and the same for blue. Oops. Now we have completed one side. But sometimes you have to do this pattern more than once in order to achieve putting it in. So now, if you get here, my tip was like this. So align the tip so it matches the color underneath it. Then rotate this until you find a correct edge piece right here. Once you find the correct edge piece, once again check that the yellow is on the bottom, then do this step. If it appears like this, you go to the next step. If it's completed, well, you got lucky. So, after you completed the last step, my triangle was like this. So all you do is align these cutters with the same cutter, for example, like this. Then do these steps. Sometimes you have to do this more than twice or once. See, now I have to do it again. And then you completed it. That is how you solve a Pyraminx cube. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!